Live Lingua episode 27. Tell people how long you've lived somewhere. Now we're going to put together everything you've learned in the last 3 episodes and start telling people how long you've lived in a place. The first time through, we're going to say certain sentences in Spanish. See if you can figure out how long that person has lived somewhere. The second time through, we're going to say them in Spanish and in English, just to make sure you got it. If you don't understand a part of it, just go back and review one of the previous episodes, then try again. Let's get started. Empecemos.
He vivido en Acapulco 10 años.
He vivido en Medellín 4 meses.
He vivido en Santiago una semana.
He vivido en Cusco 9 días.
He vivido en Quito 2 años.
He vivido en San Cristóbal 7 semanas.
And now let's do it again with the answers included. I have lived in Acapulco for 10 years.
He vivido en Acapulco 10 años.
I have lived in Medallin for 4 months.
He vivido en Medellín 4 meses.
I have lived in Santiago for a week.
He vivido en Santiago una semana.
I have lived in Cusco for 9 days.
He vivido en Cusco 9 días.
I have lived in Quito for 2 years.
He vivido en Quito 2 años.
I have lived in San Cristobal for 7 weeks.
He vivido en San Cristóbal 7 semanas.
Hey everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video and your Spanish is improving like mine. You can continue the Spanish course by clicking on the next episode, which is on your screen right now. If there's any topic you want me to cover in a future episode, please just leave a comment below. And finally, if you want to get additional free Spanish practice, get early access to all of our videos, and find your ideal Spanish tutor, just click on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hasta pronto.